here. Yeah. Spark. Hello all, welcome to the YouTube channel Your Car Partners Club. Uh, in one of our video, we had watched how to take care of your car during this pandemic lockdown situation. Just in case if you have missed to start your vehicle and your vehicle is the battery is completely drained out, in that scenario, how to jump start your vehicle. There's one more video that I've put in, how to jump start your vehicle. But a lot many people are looking in order to buy a jumper cable online. So in this video today, we'll be discussing about buying tips of the jumper cable. So there are two cables right now in front of me. One looks a bit heavy duty and the other one is made in China. So the difference between the two, and when you are going to buy a jumper cable, what are the things that you are supposed to check so that you don't land up buying a jumper cable which is of no use, just garbage in your house or in your car. So let's go through all the tips. There are 5 tips one by one. So in front of you we have both the cables. One is a bit heavy duty, that's on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have made in China. That was kind of garbage for us because we tried to jump start one of the vehicle using that cable. So it took us a lot much of time. We had to keep that cable to be connected to both the car batteries in order to start it, and eventually we were not able to start the vehicle. So when we got this cable, the other one, that's the heavy one, I was like at the very first, after just connecting the cable, I was able to start the vehicle. So let's compare them, and then I'll come to a conclusion of what kind of cables that you are supposed to buy in order to jump start a vehicle. So yeah, so both the cables are in front of us, and when I have to look at the thickness of this cable, this is pretty thick. This is pretty thick. When I compare it with the other Chinese model, this is quite thick. The amount of copper inside is quite huge. And when I see this cable, this one doesn't have any kind of copper inside it. It's pretty thin, and that was the main reason why we were not able to start the vehicle with jump start when trying to jump start with this. So that comes to so the very first point is the gauge number. So whenever you are going to buy a cable, look for a cable that is on less than 8 gauge. So less than 8 gauge would mean that more amount of copper is inside it. So that's gauging is an international standard. It refers to how thick the copper is inside it. Okay, now let's go to the second point, the jumper cable insulation. So when I talk about the insulation, this one that you see, that the insulation is the outer covering of the copper. When I have to compare the insulation of this cable, this looks good insulated because the outer covering of the rubber, plastic rubber, that's good. Okay, I was not even able to see any kind of heat getting generated or the cable getting heated up over a period of time, while when I connected to this, the Chinese one, that immediately got heated. I was like, it may melt at one point of time if I do not remove this cable. So yeah, better look for a good insulation on the cable because that's very important. And majorly the outer layering is for in order to reduce the heat generated. Apart from that, it also protects the cable from fire, oil and other chemical resistance thing. Okay, and yeah, it again protects it from the overheating of the cables. The third important point is this cable is currently 10 feet long, and this one, the Chinese model, is of 6 feet long. So yeah, that becomes very important. Suppose I have to start this vehicle which is at a distance, and unfortunately I am not able to park this vehicle, and you are in a tight situation where you cannot like keep the car nose to nose. In that scenario, the length of the cable becomes important. Yeah, so any cable that's around 10 feet, more than 6 feet, I would recommend that using. Okay, now the fourth point is the alligator clips. Yeah, because the alligator clips, these are the alligator clips that you see, that's on the Chinese model, and you see here the heavy duty, that's on the other brand that I've got from Amazon. Yeah, so alligator clips, these are basically used in order to transmit electricity much better. So any heavy duty cable would have a heavy duty alligator clips as well. And if like with this cable, what had initially happened to us, this doesn't have any proper insulation. Okay, so when I was just trying to put the negative in the negative, it sparked and I had to remove my hand in front at the same point of time. With this cable, this is rubber coated. This entire cable is rubber coated. Yeah, you can see it's all rubber coating, so I could not find any sort of spark, and these are heavy duty as well. When I put it on the battery, these are easily clamped over there, and I did not have to remove it. This is pretty like, this is like you can just use two fingers and it's moving out. So this was not heavy duty alligator clips, which is one very important part whenever we are buying another cable from outside. The fifth and almost the last point is it's a good thing if you have storage bags, because it's easy, you can dump these things in the boot of your vehicle and this could be lying up there. And it's good, like if you're going for a long trip and all, it's good to have this along with a few other things like a tire inflator and all. These are mandatory things, I would say, just in case if anything happens with your car at any point of time, you don't have to go and ask for any mechanic. And yeah, and one last thing that I would like to tell you is, never buy a jumper cable which is cheap just because it's cheap. But yeah, always look for warranty on these cables. Okay, warranty against these cables catching fire or getting melted. And it's good if we have any sort of UL rating, UL certification, where UL is a world leader in the product safety testing and certifications. So it's good, yeah, because this cable did not have any sort of UL rating, while this one had a UL certified rating. So this was a very short video on how to buy the jumper cables online, buying tips for it. Hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.